Hi, this is Mike Capuano, co-founder, Chief Business Development Officer, and Chief Marketing Officer at Eridu. I'm super excited to announce that we are exiting stealth today with over $200 million raised. We've stayed on mission since our founding in early 2024 to deliver a new class of networking switch purpose-built for AI. With a clean sheet design across a new silicon architecture, co-designed with a new system architecture, using advanced packaging, scaling software, using cutting-edge optics, and bringing that all together, we're delivering a frontier networking switch that is an order of magnitude increase in radix and throughput over state-of-the-art switches today and tomorrow. Now, the impact of radix to large data centers and even small data centers cannot be overstated. It is massive. So what I've got above here is a diagram. On the right is our new silicon architecture with 10x the radix of switching of today's state-of-the-art and a new system that is designed to accommodate that silicon. I can switch a packet into any port on that order of magnitude increase in radix switch. It gets switched non-blocking through the silicon out any other port. To do the same thing with a switch that's 1/10 the radix, I actually need to build a 2-layer CLO network. So I put 20 of those 1/10 radix switches in the leaf layer, half the ports face down, half the ports face up. And then I put 10 of those switches in the spine layer with all the ports facing down. Now, of course, in between those two layers, I've got fibers connecting all the ports, optical transceivers on either side, and I end up with over 1,000 optical transceivers and lots of fibers and cables. Those are effectively, with the new silicon architecture, all collapsed and integrated into the silicon. So what once was a fiber with optics on either side, consuming power, costing money, and potentially failing, now gets integrated into a 2mm die-to-die connection that's super low power, very reliable, and basically integration continues to show the benefits that we've seen since the 1950s. The impact is huge. I can now build, with this higher radix switch, scale-out clusters with millions of GPUs. I can build a scale-out scale unit under a single tier of switches of tens of thousands of GPUs. For scale up, I can build scale up domains with thousands of GPUs and tens of terabits per GPU. But the benefits don't stop there. Because of this integration, I get a 70% reduction in power. I get a 40% reduction in cost. I increase reliability. And the single switch hop, instead of 2 layers, I have 1 layer, gives me low latency and basically no congestion in this case. And that increases GPU utilization. So if I can increase GPU utilization by 10%, that close to pays for the network. And then we massively reduce cabling and optics for faster deployment and simpler management. So effectively, the benefits that come from higher radix are all good. Lower costs, lower power, higher reliability, better performance, simpler management, faster deployment, larger clusters. I hope you can go visit our website to learn a little bit more, and please don't hesitate to reach out if you have any questions. Thank you.